All right, get ready. You're going to love this one. It is a power bowl with just 3 ingredients. It takes 5 minutes, and it's something you've never had before. I guarantee you've never had this combination. You're going to love the way it tastes, fills you up. You can have it for breakfast. You can have it for lunch. You can have it for dinner. Enough of me talking. Let's go cook. I always like to start off meals with a protein. So today's protein is eggs. We've got 3 eggs, and that is going to be the base of it. So let's turn the pan on and get this party started. Okay, it's on about medium. I'm going to let it heat up for about 30 seconds, and then I'm going to put some butter on. Okay, butter. So before we start cooking the eggs, we are going to add ingredient number 2, which is the real secret. It is salmon, or lox, as I like to call them. I grew up on this. This is like my soul food. We used to have this every week. I learned this recipe from my grandfather. So we're going to start by cooking the lox. So I've got the pan on like a low to medium heat, put the butter in, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up the lox in small pieces, and we're going to cook that first for just a few minutes before we add the eggs. That's right, before we add the eggs. So this is a small 3-ounce package. So I'm just going to take, I don't know, I'm going to go with 3 eggs. So I'm going to use around almost, I love lox, so I'm not shy with these. I'm just going to cut them up in little pieces, just like that. And then I'm going to add them to the pan. So now all I do is just cook these up for about 2 minutes till they start cooking a little bit through. So as those are cooking, let's get the egg. And because I like to make things as easy as possible, this is one of my little hacks. I like these scrambled. So instead of using another bowl, I scramble them right into the pan. So I'm going to right in. And I just scramble these all together. You can add salt, you can add pepper, go crazy. I'm actually not going to add salt and pepper now. We're going to do something a little bit crazy later, so hold on. So about a minute later, they're almost ready. All right, so we've got the lox, we've got the eggs. These are almost ready, so I'm going to just turn the heat off. And they still kind of keep cooking even though because the pan's out. So now ingredient number 3 is something I've been using a lot of lately. And I think it's going to add some fluffiness to the eggs and some flavor and some texture, a little bit more protein. That's right. We're going cottage cheese. So remember, I turned the heat off in the pan. You don't want to have the cottage cheese on a hot pan. And a lot of people say, Ryan, you've got to whip the cottage cheese. It's going to be even better. So let's do that. All right. So the eggs are resting on the pan. I'm going to take about a tablespoon and a little bit more. I just put it in a glass right here. And I got some on the counter as well. So what? Yeah, it happens. I've got a little hand blender here and about 20 seconds of this. And we are ready. Yeah, this looks much creamier. So now what we're going to do, we're going to fold it into the egg. So what you're going to do right here in the pan, we're going to take the cottage cheese, put it right in there, and then fold this over. Oh yeah, it's already getting creamier. This is looking good and smelling good. We're going to put this in the bowl, and then we're going to add a few more things to take it up a notch. Okay, so we're putting this in the bowl. All this is right now are the eggs, the salmon, and the cottage cheese. Here's how we can start adding more flavors. We could take some green onions and add them in. I'm going to cut up a little bit of the green onions right now. I'm going to cut them right in. Look at that. Don't be shy with green onions. Now, here's one of my secret weapons. You add this especially with eggs, everything but the bagel seasoning. And you want to make it more savory. You want to feel like you're at a diner or buffet. Add some bacon or maybe even just a couple little bacon bits. And there you go. In about 5 minutes, you have a bowl you can have for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. Yes, you can have eggs for dinner. It's got a lot of protein. It's going to keep you full. It tastes incredible. I promise you give this a try again. It was eggs, the lox, cottage cheese, and then I added everything but the bagel seasoning, a little bit of the green onions, and some bacon bits for some crunch. And now we've got a delicious bowl. And speaking of delicious, if you don't want to miss one delicious recipe, so be sure to subscribe before you go. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a bowl to eat.